Alright guys, what is up YouTube and welcome back to some more Survivalcraft. Sorry for this video. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I usually don't upload in so we're still painting the house. I decided to do this in creative mode and I felt like doing this survival mode. Yes. Yeah, some of y'all commented, and I heard some of you guys commenting saying that y'all wanted to play Call of Duty Mobile. Yes, guys, I will return to it. I'm still thinking of it. I'm thinking about it when I hit 400, but I think I just wait until I hit 500. There's gonna be a new series, in this. I'm probably gonna restart this, series again back to like episode 1. I'm just gonna do that to myself. I rather not though. You know what? If you guys ever seen Zach Scott Games, he actually made his 1,000 episodes of Plant vs Zombies 2. If you guys know what Plant vs Zombies is. I said that motherfucker, he played it and then he even passed 1,000 episodes. Like that's insane. Has to be the most played he's the first YouTuber to reach 1,000 episodes on the video game. I mean, these are video games, so this is just a regular game. In gaming history, like to reach 1,000 episodes. I did not know he was actually gonna do that. Alright, so need that Windows. I know I should do Minecraft on the Switch, but I don't know how. We're gonna make a roof in here. This will be where the boards are gonna be chilling. And just add some windows in here. That bitch, I just need to go make it so constant on their own. Kiss it to come on. There's a song, I forgot who made it. It's really nice outside. Like, I'm playing hanging out. So, let's see, what time is it? Right now it's 12:18. Right now, I'm gonna finish this video. Once I'm finished doing this video, I'm gonna upload it. And then I'm gonna, like, shower. And then I'm gonna, like, tell one of my friends who wants to hang out. And who doesn't. So yeah. Now this will be the board. Now let's do the boards in the second floor. I think I already did the boards in the second floor. Man, I'm just gonna break all this shit because I don't feel like doing this thing in Survivalcraft. I mean, I was trying to do this thing off camera. Should I put it back to the regular texture pack? Cause this is like this is how Minecraft usually is. This game now looks like Minecraft. Oh yeah, I do have Minecraft on my Nintendo Switch, but I don't have a capture card. You know what, capture card, like where like a card like USB cable thing to upload it to my PC. And but I have like a slow ass PC. I'm planning to give me. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna like save up money so I could like buy something, because I'm planning to get a PS4, but I don't feel like getting a PS4 because I kind of want to get shoes, because I don't have that much pairs of shoes. Like my parents don't buy me shoes a lot. The messages, they have a lot of pairs of shoes. They got so much bands, and you know me, I wanted to wear Air Forces or Jordans, but they're saying that Jordans are actually really cool. Wait, I think my mom's listening to that song by Doja Cat. Ma! That's my sister. Why you say so? No way my mom was listening to Doja Cat. My cousin likes Doja Cat. I think she does. She doesn't. my friend like one of my other friends, like my old friends like Doja Cat. Like my friends, my old friends, they do like Doja Cat. I know you're in the video, Adrian. I know you're not in the video, but I'm talking about. He also likes Weekend. Those. I just one of his music because my sister is listening to him. I think it's called Blinding Lights. That's one of them. And the song that's called like I Only Call You in This Hell, not something like that. Something like that. Alright, well we get the board in one area. Where should I place the dispenser at? I don't know. Alright, anyway, I think is there dispensers? And then he's like, and you look like you do. Anyway, let's see, I need a dispenser. Where the fuck is it at? Oh, you need a crossbow for it? Oh my god. Are you serious? I knew you needed a crossbow for this. What the fuck? Well, I'll make a It's easy to make crossbows in this game. I have any strings. Let's see. Strings are more smaller, right? Yeah, okay, no, I did have the strings. It's that easy. Oh, I didn't mean to cry for that shit. It's like this. There we go. I got it. Now just need some wood. I don't know if I'm gonna want to hang out because it really does look like it's good already. I guess it's really cloudy. I have my first dog over here. Of course, I get tired. I'm like playing Minecraft. It's not reading anymore. I should have copper tools to be honest. I'll just use my pickaxes. That thing was ready to attack me. What the fuck? Alright, it's 9 right now. It's been 9 minutes since I started the recording. What the fuck? Oh yeah, how I get flat. I'm not. I don't want to think about that shit. My hair's dang with you age and savage. Wait, I think it's. Isn't there. Where is it? I hate how there's like this thing's like blocks. There you go. I had to use a crossbow. Either the bolts still like. Yeah, the bolts are right there. I'll not feed them their food too. They really do want that food. Let me get the boards up here. Look at this fat belly. Look at this belly. Look at this fat belly. This belly. Damian Morales, and yeah, guys, subscribe to guys. Bobby Williams, Bobby Williams, Bobby Williams, Bubbly Williams. You need to own that here. I think it is gonna rain. I don't know. Isolation. Na, na, na. Sure is, Papa. Come on in, Mama Peach. I think not. Oh yeah, the scene from Super Mario Sunshine. You again? Don't you ever give up, Mario? How dare you disturb my friend's vacation? And then like, oh yeah, what the fuck? He's like, you again? Don't you ever give up? Someday, when I'm bigger, I wanna fight that Mario again. We'll put it in, son. Oh yeah, that neighbor's Mario Sunshine, bro, had me dying. When I used to play Sunshine when I was young, so I remember hearing about this. I remember how every time I watched my cousin play, and then I'd be laughing, wow. And then my cousin, my sisters, we'd be watching my cousin play. And my cousin, she had a GameCube, she had the Wii, and then she had the GameCube controller, so like they're connected there. Then they had like some GameCube games. I remember Sunshine was one. What else I remember? Super Mario Sunshine, Galaxy, I remember those games. Yeah, my cousin used to like play them all the time. Wait, do I have? Oh, I do. I think not. You know what I'm doing? I'm actually gonna place this chest up here. We'll have all our rices up here. I'm gonna make a chest. I'm gonna make another one. I'll put it down. But like, that house is actually really small. You again? Don't you ever give up, Mario. How dare you disturb my family vacation? Still making it. My mom's playing that freaking NES music. Oh yeah, when Nick Fury popped in the... Oh yeah, the audience reactions when Infinity War ending, bro. When Nick Fury and Hill turned into dust. Maria Hill, that was her name. And then like the audience, they were like, no, like they were like pissed. And then there was like a one where when Nick Fury now was turned dust, he was like, motherfuck. And then it made the people laugh. He was like, motherfuck. And then yeah, I'm not gonna run. You can't hear me. Oh my god, freaking okay, nobody cares about that. Okay, we get it. Wait, hold on. Just for you guys there. I keep thinking that my gardens are still blurred. Like, let me know, cause I tried putting it to 1,000 quality and it's blurred. Like, what the fuck, man? So bad quality. My dad showed his angerish. He's like, oh my god. Makes me mad. Y'all want some more food? $140, my mom wasted down. Let's see. 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna go end it here. Thanks for watching and sure to subscribe. We're just finishing building the house. Next episode we'll start undoing on the roof. This episode we were just. Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! Guys, this might be the end of the series. To be continued. Did not know that lightning was gonna strike our house. Holy shit, look at this. Now guys, next episode we're gonna place the roof next. We're gonna start placing the roof because our house is gonna get struck by lightning. Our house just got struck by lightning. What the fuck? You think it was raining because the raining kind of made it. You know how Minecraft when if you guys this game is it's kind of like Minecraft except that I think it's like Super Mario the Long. Holy shit! I think it's destroyed the fuck out of the lights. So we're gonna have. Did not know that thing was gonna hit my house. Just build it. Next time, we just build it. Then that lightning did so much damage. Now we're gonna have to build the roof next episode. So yeah, next episode we're just gonna have to build the roof. Anyway. Before we end it, let me just fix the. Okay, let me just add some more light bulbs. And we'll have some in here. There's one in here, one in here, one in here. Use a light bulb. There we go. Alright, there we go. Then we'll place one up here and then up here. There we go. Make it like that. Anyway, guys, for real. Wait. I didn't mean to do that hole. Didn't mean to do that thing because I'm supposed to make a little staircase up here. He's like, my old friend like tries to act hard, tries to play the game like tries to act so brave in Minecraft. He's like saying like, now we ain't pussies like that. Pussy. Anyways, I'm gonna go in here for real. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We just saw the house get struck by lightning. Thank you so much, lightning, because we're gonna name this episode "Stupid Ass Lightning." Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm sure I like videos. I'm gonna go end it here. Just watch this. I will go see if it's gonna rain. If it's not, then I will go outside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.